I feel like an ad. These products are not sponsored, not an ad. Hey humans, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Say hello, Delilah. Hello. It's been a while since you've said hello to his camera. Yeah. Make sure you click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and ring the bell also so that you never miss one of my uploads. I make new videos on my channel every single Friday. It used to be Wednesday, now it's Friday. Sorry about that. This is my ferret Delilah, if you didn't know. And today I am in my bathroom. The reason I'm in my bathroom is because I am going to be showing you all my bedtime, nighttime routine. And this video is also a collab with the company Duvolle. Never know how to say these things properly, but it's on the screen right now. So the lovely people at Duvolle sent me a spin care system for free to review on my channel and to show you guys. And I will also have a 70% off discount code that is going to be linked down below. So if you want to get this product for yourself, now you can get it for 70% off, which is sweet because it's like a $90 product or something like that. I'm also going to be unboxing the product for you. I have never tried it, never opened it, so it's going to be fun. We're gonna test it out for the first time together, so you'll get my honest first impression as always. But I can't really wash my face or open a package with this monkey, so I'm gonna put her away, so sorry guys. I'll make a new ferret video soon, maybe a ferret bath time video if you'd be interested. Ah! Oh my goodness. Delilah! What the heck? Also, if you can hear scratching or chewing in the background, that's these ferrets. It seems that every time I want to film a YouTube video, they're like, time to be awake and make as much noise as possible, which is great. Goodbye. Goodbye, yes. She's like, I am not an puppet, Mom. Let me go. Let me go. I feel like it's been a hot minute since I did an unboxing on my channel, so I'm very excited to unbox this. So I'll stop talking about it and start cutting about it. Are we ready? Okay. Ooh. So we have the Radiance Spin Care System. It says, water resistant, Duvolle, look your best every day. This looks super cool. So it has the thingy itself and the electric part that you hold. We have a big brush for your body. We have this little like stone kind of thingy for your feet or elbows. And then we have two different face brushes, which is awesome. 4 deep cleansing brushes, cleansing, exfoliation, and pumice. I don't know what pumice is, that's the stone one.
Hello beautiful, reveal the hidden glow of your skin with the Radiance Spin Care System.
Radiance Spin Care System, that's a hard one to say.
Deeply cleanse your skin with the Radiance Spin Care System's rotating movement to achieve cleaner and more vibrant skin over your whole body.
So yeah, now let's like take it out of the box and see how it is. Sounds great. Ideal for use in the shower. Cool, I like that. This unit uses 4 AA batteries. I'm pretty sure I have 4 AA batteries. Otherwise, we should be out of luck here. Okay, yes, okay, I think, whatever. I mean, we know how to clean our face. But let's like take a look at the units here. So we have the thingy, open. Oh God, I need an adult. Oh God, I can't get this up. Okay, you know what? I'm literally gonna get my mom to help me with that because I'm a literal child. No tea, no shade. Ooh, okay, so this one is very soft. This is the cleansing brush. Quite soft, quite nice. It's not super, super soft though. Like it is soft, but it's not like super, super soft. And that one's definitely a little bit firmer. This is the exfoliating one. They're both the same size. And we got the big guy. This kind of feels like the exfoliating one as well, which will be nice because I don't usually exfoliate my body in the shower, and I really should because, you know, it's good for your skin. So hopefully this will make my life easier. And then we have our little pumic stone.
Pumice.
Which I honestly probably won't use very much. I don't really tend to care for my feet or my elbows or wherever, but I'm sure I'll give it a try. Alright, so I've discovered it's pretty hard to get a good angle in a bathroom, so hopefully you can see me okay. I got the batteries in here, so now makes that sound. So I'm going to take off my glasses and I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun so that it's out of my face. Really revolutionary stuff here. So this is the cleanser that I use to wash my face. I've been using Biotherm for a really long time, since I was probably 13 or 14. So, you know, like prehistoric times. So yeah, I'm a big fan. It's the pink one. It says softening foaming cleanser for dry skin, because I do have pretty dry skin. So yeah, we're just going to put on our cleansing brush. And I think it just snaps on like that. So that's pretty cool. Ooh. Feels very like soft and tickly. So I'm gonna wet my face, and I guess I'll put the cleanser on here. Yeah. And then I'm gonna wash my face, so yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Got my eyeball a little bit. I find this product works best when you use little circular motions all over your face, and be careful around your nose, because if you do it too hard, then some soap might kind of fly up into your eyeballs. I don't know why, but that has happened to me a few times, so just be aware of that when you're washing your nose area. And also just skip the eye area, because that is very delicate, sensitive skin, and you really only want to use your fingers, not any kind of brushes or bristles. That felt pretty good. I feel like it definitely washed my face better than my fingers could by themselves, so that's pretty cool. My face almost feels like dry now, which is kind of weird, because first of all, it's covered in water. Second of all, my cleanser is for dry skin, so it should feel moisturized. Like, I don't know, maybe that's just because my face is dry and it's just like kind of woken up from the friction kind of thing. But yeah, now I'm gonna try the exfoliating brush with an exfoliator. Not something I would do every night, because that would dry your skin out for sure, but then I'm gonna see how that brush is, see if it's any different, and yeah, hopefully my skin is gonna be glowing. Alright, so the next product I'm going to use is also by Biotherm. It's this kind of periwinkle colored bottle. So this is just like a gentle exfoliator. So let's take off this brush head. They just come off pretty easily. And I'm going to put on the other brush head right here. And we're going to rinse and repeat. Wow, that was like so corny. Just a little bit. Yeah, that should do it. I have very sensitive skin, so hopefully nothing bad happens. Nothing bad did happen. It made my skin feel very nice and soft and exfoliated. Definitely a nice scrubby scrub brush for your face, and yeah, it did a very good job. So that felt pretty good. My face is just dripping wet. I'm just gonna talk to you. My face definitely feels very smooth now. Yeah, I liked that better than the other brush, I think, which is kind of interesting. I'm gonna dry my face now and we'll continue with the routine. You should always pat your face to dry, not rub, because you don't want to give yourself any wrinkles. So the next thing I'm gonna use is this Aveeno Ultra Calming Sensitive Skin Daily Moisturizer with SPF 15. I feel like an ad. These products are not sponsored, not an ad. I should have said that at the beginning. And same, this is not sponsored either. It was free, but I'm not getting paid to make this video. Just so you know, disclaimer. So I'm just gonna pump like 2 pumps in my hand. And I'm just gonna go in. Yeah, my skin does feel very soft now, which is awesome. I need to exfoliate my face more often than I do. I think you should do it like once or twice a week at least, and I probably do it like once a month, if we're being honest here. So I just rub this all over, and I put this on morning and night. Now my face is nice and moisturized, and now to just lock everything in and add even more moisture, because like I said, my skin is dry as the desert. I'm gonna take my Huna Botanical Face Mist. Botanical Face Mist. Again, not sponsored. It's with rose, aloe, and watermelon. So I'm just gonna shake it up and give my face a couple good spritzes. Okay, there's something gross on my lip balm. Don't judge me. But I'm just gonna take some Vaseline Lip Therapy and put it on my lips to finish off this Get Ready With Me nighttime routine. Alright, so that's everything we're gonna do with our faces. Now we're vlog style for some reason. I just read the instructions and it says you can use the body brush to wash your hands with, which seems super extra and unnecessary, but also I might as well test it out so you guys can have some idea of what it's like and if I like it or not. So let's wash our hands with this massive brush thing. All right, we're gonna take this little guy off, put this big guy on. 1 pump of soap should be good. Some water, and wash my hands. Ooh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a good old wash, wow. This is how like surgeons should wash their hands. Go up the arm of it, oh yes. All right, I think my hands might be the cleanest they have ever been. Just gonna apply moisturizer. Ooh, my hands, they feel really, really freaking soft. Wow. My hands feel like butter. These feel like brand new hands. I'm amazed. Okay, well, I'm glad we did that. Now we know. All right, so that is all for my mini review, unboxing, and get ready with me video. All in all, I think this is a pretty cool product. I liked it. My skin definitely feels very smooth and soft right now, which is very exciting. The link to Duvolle Spin Care System will be down in the description below, along with my 70% off discount code. So if you guys decide to buy one of these and try it out, definitely let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I think it's pretty dang awesome. And it's so exciting that they sent this to me for free. I feel like somehow my channel is turning into an unboxing review channel, but I mean, I'm okay with it. So thank you very much, Duvolle Spin Care System, and Thomas is the one who's been emailing me. So thank you, Thomas, shout out to you. If you guys like get ready with me type of videos or cosmetics, makeup, all that jazz, let me know and we can definitely film more videos here in my bathroom. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you never miss one of my uploads. I make new videos every single Friday. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram at emma.4th and at mermaidzelda. I post there pretty much daily. I will put the links to my social medias down in the description below as well. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, a great night's sleep with nice silky skin, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!